Hi, my name is Dr. Isaac, and today I'm going to be talking about the cell membrane phospholipid second messenger system. Naturally, in our bodies we have hormones, but we also ingest drugs or medicines. And these substances make changes to our bodies by interacting with the smallest unit of our existence, which is the cell. So how do these drugs or hormones interact with the cell? Some of them are able to penetrate the cell membrane and enter the cell to exert their effects directly. Others interact with the cell via a special type of door called a receptor. And there are a number of types of ligand receptor interactions. But specifically what I'm talking about here is the second messenger system, where the ligand, that is the drug or the hormone, knocks at the door or the receptor and then summons another molecule within the cell, what we call a second messenger, which actually kickstarts the cascade of events that will give us changes at the level of the cell. And one of such molecules are phospholipids, what we call the phospholipid second messenger system. Now, within the cell membranes, we have a phospholipid called phosphatidyl inositol diphosphate. And this phospholipid is broken down into two second messengers, IP3, which is inositol triphosphate, and DAG, which is diacylglycerol. And that breakdown is catalyzed by an enzyme called phospholipase C, which is also existent within the cell membrane. So I want us to appreciate the structure of these substances. Phosphatidyl inositol diphosphate is a glycerol phospholipid, meaning it has a glycerol backbone, two acyl or fatty acid chains, and then it has a phosphate at one point, so it is a phospholipid, and to that phosphate is attached inositol biphosphate. So what phospholipase C does is that it cleaves off the inositol triphosphate. Biphosphate, those are two phosphates, plus this other phosphate, that makes us have three phosphates. So ultimately, what we will have is our glycerol backbone with two acyl groups, because this has been broken off to give us the inositol triphosphate. And so the remnant is just this, which is DAG, which is the diacylglycerol, two acyl groups and the glycerol backbone. So these two moieties that are formed as a product of breakdown of their parent molecule, phosphatidyl inositol diphosphate, are going to form our second messengers, which are going to go into the cell and act on other cellular machinery to elicit certain changes. Thank you.